Hi parents, I'm going to record this Pearson Realized second grade decodable book. It's titled Farm Chores and it's written by Andrea, Erwin. Are controlled. AR, OR, ORE, and OAR words. Darlings, more. Darling, part. Farm, barn. Porch, sore. Before, roared. Hard, arm. Far, horses. Chores, and dark. Syllables, VC and CV words. Patrick, darlings, darling. Kitten, rabbits, high frequency words. Went, much. This, more. Before, do, and far. Patrick went to John Darling's farm. Patrick had not gone to this farm before. Is it far? Patrick asked. Not much more, Mom said. Patrick spotted John's farm. His farm has a big red barn, Patrick roared. Are there horses, mules, and pigs? His mom grinned. John Darling sat on his porch with his kitten. Patrick jumped out. Patrick ran up to John. Are you set to work hard? John asked. We do chores on this farm. Patrick will do his part as well as he can. Patrick swept pens. Patrick fed chicks and rabbits. Patrick fixed his barn. John Darling stretched his sore back and patted Patrick's arm. You did a nice job, John said. When it got dark, Patrick went home. That was fun, Patrick said. And that, parents, concludes our Pearson Realized reading of the book titled Farm Chores. It's written by Andrea Erwin. Have a great day now. Bye bye.